Checking if type equals list in Python. I can't figure out what's wrong with my code. The output is type list, but the if statement never triggers. Can anyone spot my error here?
Your issue is that you have redefined list as a variable previously in your code. This means that when you do type key equals list, it will return false because they aren't equal. That being said, you should instead use isInstanced key list when testing the type of something. This won't avoid the problem of overriding list but is a more Pythonic way of checking the type.
You should try using isInstance. In your case. To elaborate. The difference between isInstance and type, though both seems to do the same job, is that isInstance checks for subclasses in addition, while type doesn't.
This seems to work for me.
Python 3.7.7.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.